Is your heat pump or AC's efficiency dropping? Can your system no longer keep up with your thermostat? Are you noticing leaking or freezing in your system? If you are, it may be time to check your refrigerant levels. Hi, I'm Greg with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. One of the most important yet most confusing parts of your AC or heat pump is refrigerant. And it's frustrating when you find out you have a refrigerant leak. Today, we're going to dive into the world of refrigerant leak detection and what steps can be taken to fix your issues. What is refrigerant? Refrigerant is a chemical substance that absorbs and releases heat. It changes between a liquid and a gas as it runs through your system. What are some warning signs you can see that can indicate leaking refrigerant? The biggest warning sign is your system struggling to reach temperature. A system that is low on refrigerant will not be able to efficiently release heat from inside the home. You may also notice your system running more than normal, and in extreme circumstances, you may see your indoor coil freeze and drip condensation. Why is leaking refrigerant bad for your home and system? Leaking refrigerant can be bad for multiple reasons. Inability to cool your home, decreased efficiency leading to higher energy bills. Not enough refrigerant in the system can also lead to compressor failure, as the compressor needs to work harder to properly release heat from the refrigerant, which can lead to a total failure of your system. What are typical solutions to fix a refrigerant leak? There's no easy fix for a refrigerant leak because many times it's difficult to find where the leak is coming from. If your system is low on refrigerant, our technicians will use a refrigerant leak detector to see if we can find the source of the leak. If they can pinpoint that it is coming from either the indoor coil, the outdoor condensing coil, or the line set in between them, that item or section can be replaced in most cases. Many times it can be more cost effective and a safer bet to replace the entire system. If you have any other questions about refrigerant leak detection, or if you need to schedule a service, give us a call at the number below or check out our online learning center to learn even more about your home.